Hey, it's Mo, and I'm here with Scott of Mid-America RV, and we've been running all over the place looking at all the different options that you guys have for the open house going on right now up until this Saturday. Right. So, we've seen some pretty cool options. Can you tell me a little bit about the RV that we're in right now?
Yeah, so this is a brand new Coachman Apex 191 RBS. RV stands for rear bath, so it has a really nice big rear bathroom in the back with lots of storage. This one actually has, it's called a Nano, so it only weighs 3,600 pounds. Oh, wow. So it's easy to tow with a small truck, small SUV, and that's kind of the idea behind this, is to let more people be able to tow a trailer down the road. It has the off-grid package on it, which is really cool because it has a 100-watt solar panel on the top.
Oh my gosh.
That's going to allow you to run some things in the trailer without actually being hooked up to a campsite, which is really neat, so you can go off some different places like that.
And because of its size alone and the weight, you really do have more options. So not only does it give you more options if you have maybe not the biggest truck in the world, right. Then you can also go to some of those cool places that are maybe a little further off from the beaten path.
Exactly. So the off-grid package also gives you 12-volt outlets on both sides of the bed. You got a 12-volt outlet on the outside as well. And it just allows you to do more things without being plugged in. The refrigerator is propane or electric. Has a power awning on the outside, inside and outside speakers, a roof-mounted air conditioner on it, and this is one of our new trailers, so it does come with a lifetime warranty on it too.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
That's a huge value for the customer because it covers a lot of the major components like the air conditioner and the refrigerator and things like that.
What I love about it too is, you know, you think about these big RVs like some that we've seen and you just imagine they have 1,000 more options, but really they're all very luxurious. They all have a whole lot of really cool amenities that makes it feel like you're right at home no matter where you are.
Exactly. It has most of the things that a person is going to need when they're camping and a lot of the upgrades on it, like the power awning and stuff like that. So it has a lot of things in a small package. So yeah, it's a really cool trailer, and it's going to be very affordable for people to get in, and it's going to be easy to tow down the road.
Yeah, so no matter what your budget is or what size vehicle you have or what kind of lifestyle you really want to have, there are just a lot of options out here, and you guys do all the work in terms of, hey, what kind of situation are you wanting to be in with it, and you ask all the right questions and you help people figure it out, which is really nice. So you don't have to be overwhelmed by all the options, you can be excited about them. So if this sounds cool to you, come check it out this week up until Saturday here at Mid-America RV.